Gurgaon witnessed a major leap in non-surgical body transformation as Mireya Clinic unveiled its advanced body contouring platform, Mireya Sculpt, developed in collaboration with Dermarays. The system combines focused magnetic stimulation and radiofrequency, delivering muscle strengthening and fat reduction in the same session. At the launch event, Medical Director Dr. Meghna Gupta, Dermatologist Dr. Sonal Makhija, and Chief Nutritionist Ms. Manisha Arora showcased the science, live demos, and clinical benefits of the technology. Mireya Sculpt targets stubborn fat, enhances muscle definition, lifts the buttocks, tones arms and thighs, and even supports postpartum abdominal recovery. The team emphasized that when paired with nutrition and lifestyle guidance, results become more sustainable and holistic. Mireya Clinic has now opened consultations and bookings for this next-generation contouring experience.
नथिंग विच कैन एसिमुलेट इन देयर डेली लाइफस्टाइल, जो आराम से कर सके और घर जा सके और उन्हें हर एक को बताना ना पड़े कि उन्होंने क्या किया है. तो मिरिया स्क्रिप्ट वहाँ हेल्प करता है क्योंकि ना कोई डाउन टाइम है, ना पेन है, ना कोई सर्जरी है, ना स्कैल्पल है. आराम से आइए, ट्रीटमेंट करिए और घर जाइए. तो डेली लाइफ में आप इसको एसिमुलेट कर सकते हैं.
कैसे इंश्योर करता है हाई स्टैंडर्ड्स ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट क्वालिटी एंड पेशेंट satisfaction?
So the Mireya Sculpt, it contains a coil which has been imported from Germany, and that is one way that we have made sure that we're offering a very safe procedure. Secondly, patient selection is very important. तो हम patient select करते हैं सिर्फ जो candidates really treatment के लिए हैं. अगर कोई candidate नहीं है या कोई contraindication है, so that person is refuse the treatment. Also, all the treatment sessions are supervised by a dermatologist, by the doctors. We do a good assessment before the treatment. We follow up the patients during their treatments, and we monitor the results as well. So that's how we are able to ensure the safety of the treatment.
It's a very customized machine. All what we needed to give our customer a toned body, because we already had techniques like ultrasound, radio frequency, which worked on the fat tissue level and the skin laxity level, but we were missing something to work on our muscle tone, and that's what Mireya Sculpt has got for us. And it's a very customized machine under the guidance of Dr. Meghna. So what more do we want?
And that's what Dermarays did for us.
That's what they did for us.
Dr. Meghna, what inspired you to open this in Gurugram?
Okay, I live in Gurugram. All three of us live in Gurugram. We've been Delhiites for years. Now we are very much a part of Gurugram. So I thought there should be something in this city also, and this city is blooming. बहुत कुछ ग्रो हो रहा है इस सिटी में, और ये सिटी बिल्कुल अलग स्मार्ट सिटी, अलग लेवल पे जा रही है. तो क्यों ना हो कि यहाँ पे भी सारी वो ट्रीटमेंट्स अवेलेबल हो जो किसी भी अच्छे कॉस्मोपॉलिटन जैसे दिल्ली, मुंबई, बैंगलोर, चेन्नई में होती है. तो क्यों गुड़गांव पीछे रहे.
What message would you like to give
to the viewers? What you eat, what you think, and what you do in totality.
Thank you.